Hey guys, it's Marshall Ting with your Superior Ag Insurance Ringside report for this past week, the week of July 7th through the 13th. So markets are back in business. Cattle numbers are drastically higher. We're rolling right along. 21,291 head of cattle marketed across the state of Kentucky. That's exactly right on par with where we were this time last year. Now, what's this market doing? Well, there's no comparison because most of your yards were closed down last week. But what I will tell you, there's strong demand and strong undertone on these cattle. There might have been a few softer places just with the board volatility going on, but you can compare our 8-weight steers to the CME feeder cattle index. Guys, we're right on point. So let's talk about these little things here. 4-weight steer cattle today, I'm going to call those 325 as an average. They topped off at 377.5. Your 5-weight steer cattle, 310 as an average, 335 as a top. Your 6-weight steer cattle, 275 to 280. I'll give you a little bit of spread there. 307.50 was going to be your top on that. Now let's check out these steer drafts. Big sets of 8 weights. Here's a big sale, 122 head of these steers, all blacks, 825 pounds on the average, 261.75. Here's a smaller draft, but the same weight, 61 head of black steers, 825 pounds on the average, 262.75. And then here's 64 head of black steers, weight 868 at 261.60. Now, we'll say there's a lot of these 8-weight cattle I didn't mention that are still trading in that 255, 257, 258 range as well that we sure can't forget about. Now, check out this big set of heifers. Now, here's, let's look, 83 head of black heifers, weighed 637 pounds on the average at 277.25. And then check out your Holsteins. Here's 59 head of Holsteins, 963 pounds on the average at 206.90. So that's a pretty good cash trade. Now, let's compare it to your CME feeder cattle index. So your CME feeder cattle index has climbed all week. Monday the 8th, it was at 257.33. Tuesday the 9th, 258.15. Wednesday the 10th, 261.53. Thursday the 11th, 261.04. And we closed out Friday the 12th at 261.88. So as you can see, that CME feeder cattle index is climbing. Your cash market seems like it's doing good so far this past week, but I said that last Monday. We saw a little bit of a dip Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. But that's what's going on. So if you have any questions about any of this information or you're interested in the LRP policy, there's no better time than right now. Feel free to reach out to the guys. Call Ian Thomas at 859-613-2453. Call Adam Shoemaker at 859-338-4116. Call Cole Clark at 859-865-2980. Call Matthew Little at 859-435-0489. And don't forget about Carrie Mosier. She's at 270-929-88996. Or check them out on the web, www.superioragins.com. As always, thank you so much. Stay cool. We look forward to talking to you soon.